everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can find your YouTube channel ID using your phone. First step, open Safari or any web browser on your phone and open YouTube. Also, make sure that the correct YouTube channel or account is logged in on your phone. Once successfully logged in, on the search tab, search for youtube.com/account. Make sure that the spelling is correct. Once you've entered the correct URL, it will redirect you to this page where you can see different settings and different options. Just zoom in and look for the options View Advanced Settings. Once you press View Advanced Settings, it will redirect you to this page where you can automatically see your ID. Now, you can copy your channel ID and paste it on your Messenger or other messaging platforms. That's how easy our tutorial is for today. As always, if this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again next time.